Hi. In this video, we will see how to install your Norton product on your Mac. To download the product, go to my.norton.com. Click Sign In. Enter your Norton account username and click Continue. Enter your password and click Sign In. Click Download. Click Next. Click Agree and download. Click Allow to let your browser download the file. You can follow the on-screen instructions to locate and execute the downloaded file. Once you execute the downloaded file, click Install. When prompted, type your administrator account password and then click Install Helper. In the My Norton installer window, click Restart. After you restart your Mac, in the Norton product installation window, click Open Preferences. If you see the System Extension Blocked alert, click Open Preferences. In the Security and Privacy window, click the lock icon at the bottom. When prompted, type your administrator account password and then click Unlock. Click Allow corresponding to the Norton message. Navigate back to the Norton product installation window, and then click Continue. Again, click Continue. Here, click Allow for better protection. You have successfully installed Norton on your Mac. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit support.norton.com.